Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft People for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 3, delete the contact. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this comes with work skill of business. We can now start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Go to Applications. Go to All Applications. Scroll to Explore all the applications. Now let's go to Microsoft People. Click on this. And now for us to delete a contact, what we will do, as you know in the previous tutorials, I did demonstrate to you how to create a new contact. So we'll just quickly create another trial contact. Click on New Contact, top left corner. Let's just name this Trial Account. Click on Create. And so now the account itself would have been created. Now if we were to delete this account, how would we do that? We would navigate to the navigation menu. Once we have clicked on the account, or if we click on the tick, we can right click and then delete. Or what we can do is click on the account itself and then go to the top navigation menu where we can delete this contact. By clicking on delete, it would then ask you with the prompt, delete contact. Do you want to delete the contact trial account? Yes, we do, as this is what the video is about, deleting the contact. If we click on delete, as you can see, trial account has now been deleted. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.